Welcome to this instructional tutorial and review of the XD Spy Camera. Okay, so here's what it comes with. Here's the camera, power and data cable, and SD card reader. Okay, so let's take a look at the camera. Now, out of all the spy cameras that I have sampled, in combination with weight and size, overall, this is the smallest, especially everything that it does. It actually includes two night vision lamps right here. It has motion detection as well. Right here is the lens. Here's the connector port to charge and transfer the data. Here's the micro SD card port. Here's the mobile detection button and record button. Okay, so let's take a look at the manual. So just to show you the size, you're looking at about a little bit more than 1 inch across. And it's quite thin as well, less than a ½ inch thick. Now, one of the reasons why it's so small and light is because it does not have an internal battery, so that's very important. If you're looking for a camera that needs a battery on the go, this is not it. So to use this, you're going to need an external power source. Now you can use a USB wall charger. Okay, so first plug it into the camera. And now I'm going to plug it into the wall. Now this camera takes up to 32 gigabytes of memory. So just push the card in. And when you feel the click, it's properly inserted. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to plug it into a power source. So first, plug it in. Okay, now that it's plugged in, now to turn the camera on, press and hold down the mobile detection button for about 2 seconds. Okay, now let go. Now as you can see, there is a steady blue light, and that means the camera is now in video recording standby mode. Now to start recording, press the record button. Now as you just saw, the camera flashed several times, and the camera went off, and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording video, press the record button. Now as you just saw, the camera is now displaying a steady blue light. The file has been saved as an AVI file, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Okay, now to record with motion detection, while the camera is in standby mode, press the motion detection button. As you just saw, the red light flashed several times, went off, and the camera is now ready to record with motion detection. Now what's going to happen, it will continue to record as long as it detects motion. Once motion is stopped after 2 minutes, it will go back into standby mode. And then once motion is then detected again, it will start recording again. To stop recording with motion detection, press the motion detection button. Now as you just saw, a blue steady light is on, and motion detection is now off. Now to record with night vision, it is automatic. As soon as the camera detects darkness, the night vision lamps will turn on. The camera will automatically start recording with night vision. Now to power the camera off, press and hold down the mobile detection button for a few seconds. Now as you just saw, the camera flashed several times, and the camera is now powered off. Now to transfer the videos to the computer, remove the micro SD card and insert it into the micro SD card reader, and then insert that into the computer, and then you can retrieve and store the video on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some footage with the camera, so please stay tuned. Okay, this is a test of the XD camera. I'm currently doing a video test to hear how the audio turns out and to see how the video turns out, so here we go. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.